Hey guys, Hemant here. Welcome back to my channel again. So basically we're gonna talk about the data structure today, right? So data structure is very important topic, right? And to be honest, right, data structure is more about playing with the data, and if you understand this topic, right, so you will be able to learn what is data engineer, what is data analyst do, and what data scientists do, and of course DSA, let's go for the web development, right? It's a software engineer. So basically, what is a data structure, right? So data structure are container or a structure that allow you to organize and store data in a particular way, so it can be effectively accessed and manipulated. This video gonna be at least in a 4 part, right? So I'm gonna make a short clip. So today I'm gonna only talk about the list, right? And we're gonna talk about dictionary, about tuple, and about sets on next time, right? So basically we're gonna just talk about the list. So what is list, right, and how to define it is a list, right? So a list is a order collections of element, right? So element can be 1 2 3 4 5 6, or it can be, right, true false, right? It can be 2.5 3.5 6.5. So basically elements can be integer, it can be string, it can be boolean, it can be floating point, right? Uh, well, lists are mutable. Mutable mean like we can like add, remove, or modify element inside the list, right? So I will show you how we're gonna do that, right? So basically today we're gonna add, remove, and modify elements. So that is called data manipulations, and we're gonna identify what is a list, right? So well, I gave you the definition of the list, right? So list is the order of a collections of element, right? And this is, I have defined a variable named mylist, right? So it is a list variable. How to know it is a list variable? Well, you can see over here there's a 2 round bracket open and closed, those define it is a list. And you can see the element 1 2, and those are the integers, and 3, those are the string, 2.5 is a float, and true is a boolean, right? So for purposely I have took this like the mixture and combination, so I can show you way experiment. So I'm gonna run this, I'm gonna run my list, and you can see 1 2 3 2.5 and true. So now we're gonna do indexing, right? So first rule of indexing, right? So a normal human being like you and like me, we start counting from 1 2 3 4, right, till infinity. And for Python, right, so Python start is counting from 0. So 0 is 1 for Python, right? So I'm gonna index that. So basically while indexing 0, basically it will give me 1, right? So I say this is 1 for us but 0 for Python, right? So similarly I'm gonna define 1 in indexing, that will give me 2. Same with the, I'm gonna define 2, it will give me 3, right? Now, so now I want to access to this true. I'm like to the end of the list, right? So basically I will put -1. There we go, that will give me negative. From negative indexing you can access from opposite way, right? So, and one more rule in Python, you have to always read from left to right, right? Left to right, right? 0 1 2 3 4. So -1 mean start from here, -1 -2, right? So yeah, so now I'm going to use a append function. So what is basically append function? Append function basically help to add some element at the end of a list. So that's mean the whatever we will append, it will come after true, right? So let's append this, right, and let's check our list. And now you can see 1 2 3 2.5 true and 4. Okay, so next is appending any string value. So there we go, and you can see it should be 1 2 3 2.5 true 4 and now 5, right? There we go, excellent. So now I want to remove this 5. So now we can remove this 5 through remove function, Python inbuilt function. I will define my list dot remove, open close parentheses, then I will define the string value, then print over there. And before that I want to check my list, right? There we go, 1 2 3 2.5 true and 4, right? And similarly I want to insert before 1 I want to insert 10, right? So I will use an insert Python inbuilt function. So my list dot insert, right, and open my list. There we go, 10 1 2 3 2.5 true and 4, right? So guys, have a nice day, right? Cheers.